Okay, for question number 6, part A, here is the equation, and then we are told that x plus 2 is a factor, which means that the remainder is going to be equal to 0. So immediately I can say that p minus 2 is going to be equal to 0. That means minus 2 to the cube minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. And if you were to simplify this, you're going to come down to 2 minus b is equal to 8. This is your first equation. And now for p into 3, because x, when it's divided by x minus 3, there's a remainder of 5. So basically what we're saying is that 3 to the cube plus 3a, 3 to the plus 3a plus b should be equal to 5. So we have got then 3a plus b, 5 minus 27 is going to be equal to minus 22. So we're going to solve these two simultaneously, and I can add these equations. So 2a minus b, okay, is equal to 8, and then 3a plus b is equal to minus 22. If I add these up, these two is going to cancel out. I've got 5a is equal to minus 22 plus, this should have been minus 8 here, sorry. Yeah, because the plus 8, so that becomes minus 8. Yeah. So that's been a minus 8 and then minus 30. So a is going to be equal to minus 6. If you were to find b, you can pick any of those equations. So you can say 2a minus b is equal to minus 8. So that means 2 times minus 6, which is minus 12, minus b is equal to minus 8. B is going to be equal to minus 4. So that's the first part of it. For the second part of the equation, hence find the exact root of the equation p e to the 2y is equal to 0. Remember that now px is x cubed minus 6x minus 4. Having found the value of a and b, this is what we come up to. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to perform a long division. Sorry. So I've got then x cubed minus 6x minus 4. And all of that should be divided by, let's say x plus 2, because x plus 2 is a factor as it's been given, all right? So divide this, you're going to get x squared, so x squared times this is going to be equal to x cubed, x squared times 2 is 2x squared. So I've got plus 2x squared. So if you were to subtract this from, you'll get minus 2x squared minus 6x and then minus 4 is equal to, well, whatever. So now we have this, so divide this by x, I'm going to get minus 2x minus 2x times x is minus 2x squared, minus 2x times 2 is minus 4x, subtract again, this comes down to minus 2x minus 4, divide minus 2x by x, going to get minus 2, so minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So basically we have the quotient as x squared minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. This can be solved to find a value of x, so I can say x minus 1 to the square minus 2 minus 1 square is equal to 0. So I've got x minus 1 in brackets to the square minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means x is going to equal to 3. If you put the square root there, it's going to come to plus or minus. The 1 can go there, becomes plus. So I've got 1 plus or minus a root of 3. Of course, we're not going to take the negative value because we're dealing with e to the 2y, which is logarithms. So we're going to say then x is equal to e to the 2y. So we can use logarithms on both sides, and I can say ln x is equal to ln e to the 2y. So what are we saying then is that ln x is equal to 2y ln e. Is that all right? Yeah, 2y ln e. So we know that ln e is equal to 1, so I've got then 2y is equal to ln x. Right, so basically y is equal to half ln x, and exact value of this is going to be y is equal to half ln x was found to be 1 plus root of 3. And here we are. Take care.